Can you believe it? We've hit 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Today, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude because we've officially reached 200,000 subscribers. When I started this channel, I never imagined we'd build such an amazing community. Every view, every like, every comment, and every subscription has helped make this possible. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Whether you've been here since my very first video on the patio or you just joined recently, you're a part of this journey. Your support inspires me to keep creating recipes, gardening tips, homesteading content, and everything else we enjoy sharing together. This isn't just my milestone, it's our milestone. The best part is that we only just started. I have many more exciting videos, gardening projects, recipes, and behind-the-scenes content coming your way. If this channel has taught you something, inspired you, or simply made your day a little better and brought a smile to your face, then we've accomplished something special together. Here's to the next goal, 500,000 subscribers and beyond. Thank you for believing in this channel. God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.